Yeah. My name is Mr. Ibrahim Sikiru Ojo from Ministry of Culture and Tourism, Osun State. I'm from Department of Field Research and Documentation. We are here at the Nike Gallery in Ede, Osun State, going around to visit some of our cultural materials. Before we came here, we have started the program for the Osun Osogbo festivals, which will inculcate the Osun State government into the mega expo in preparation for the Osun Osogbo festivals. From the gate of the Osun State government, we started the cycling whereby the youths took off from the gates of Osun State government as early as 10:30 yesterday. From the gate of Osun State Secretariat here in Osogbo, we moved with the cyclists to Olaya, from Olaya to Osun Osogbo Sacred Grove. From there, we moved to Afin, Ataujo of Osogbo in Osun State, whereby we are doing this to let the people aware of the situation that Osun Osogbo is coming up in the 2-3 days. Osun Osogbo Festival is one of the major festivals in Osun State, whereby the Sacred Grove is a World Heritage Site, which the UNESCO has adopted as one of the biggest sites in Nigeria. The mega expos we were doing to promote the cultural festivals of Osun Osogbo is very important because we want the people, the whole world, to be aware that our culture is very important. Because direct or indirectly, it improves the economic situation of the state. Because when people come to visit or to witness the mega expos, direct or indirectly, we are going to inject into the economic situation of the Osun Osogbo, of Osun State, which we are direct or indirect is going to generate revenue for the state government. Because when people come in, they need to lodge into the hotel. When they lodge, they are going to pay. They need to buy food. The CMAN, the MTN, the Glo, they were there to promote the mega expo so that the youth, direct or indirect, is going to be a source of employment for them. So if people are aware that the mega expo we are celebrating is very important, both youth and the old person have to participate in that system. So after that, we went to the Afenlu to see some of our drums, that our culture is very important to us, but we need to promote it. The culture that you are participating and you don't show your children, that culture is likely to be the end of it. That's why we moved to Afin Ilu in Nede, whereby Prince Laoye is the custodian of that Afin Ilu. He shows us many different kinds of drum. We have Dodon, we have Bata, we have Iyalu, we have Emele, we have Sekere, we have Faru, and Koso, and Gbedu, plus Agidigbo. We really enjoy the tour because we have our partners from Lagos State that came to witness the mega expos, the tour, and by tomorrow they are going to witness the Osun Osogbo, which is the grand finale. It's the final day for the ceremony of Osun Osogbo Sacred. So by this, we want the whole world to be aware that the way we are promoting our culture is very important, because there is difference between cultures and religion. Religion has to do with your faith, where the culture is what you emulate from your environment. Our culture in Ode, Osogbo, and Osun State is different from what they are operating in Oyo State. So when you are saying mixing culture with religion, it is two different things. Culture has to do with your faith. When you die, you go to the eternal. But culture, religion has to do with your faith, what you believe in. Your culture is what you imbibe from your father. If you are Yoruba now, you cannot go back to say you are not a Yoruba, and you change your tribe. When you have tribal mark in your face, you cannot change it. You have belonged to Yoruba, no doubt about it. If you are an Igbo, you have belonged to Igbo and Hausa. So that is what culture has to transfer. And that's what we are doing here in Osun State, that we want our culture to be promoted at the highest level. So that people will have Osun in the ojúmọ́ tí mọ́ wáyé. That's from Ọ̀ọ̀ni Ifẹ̀, Kábíyèsí Ọ̀ọ̀ni Rìṣà. Bàbá tiwa nìyẹn. We have many Obas in Osun say that they are the great warriors. Like Timi Agbale Olofana, Ataoja of Osogbo, Ọwá of Ilesha. So all those Obas are very great. That you cannot talk of Osun without mentioning their name. So by this, I want the whole world to know that Osun is the origin of culture.